All right, the moment of truth. Here it is. Let's see. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Brian and Karen over here at the Little Orchard Farm. Welcome to today's video. We really got some cool stuff going on this morning as one of Robbie's work folks is coming out here, and Kevin, the electrician, is returning today. Kevin is going to be wrapping up some minor details as we get ready to have electricity. Actually, as we drove up last night, I saw the pole, and they've already been out here. They have set the meter. We have electricity at the cabin. Woohoo! So, Kevin's going to be out here today, and we'll probably put in a couple of temporary external receptacles so that we can utilize the electricity. There you go. There's the meter base. Popped it in. The meter's there. So we have electricity. So Kevin will be out, and he is going to kind of wrap up those things. And then Karen and I and James will be the one that's coming out today. We're gonna start running the board and batten out. But the very first thing this morning is James and I are going to build the stairs to the porch. So we've got 3 sets of stairs coming off the cabin, and so we got to cut all those stringers, and we've got to put all the boards on there. But we'll be able to then be able to have steps, and we can kind of get rid of the walkboard platform that Karen and I have to crawl up every time we come out. So that's exciting. Glad you guys are along for the ride. Appreciate you joining us. If you're not a subscriber of our channel, I encourage you, if you enjoy homesteading, and more importantly, or more specifically, building the homestead from the ground up. I mean, we have nothing. Karen and I are city folk. We are jumping out to explore the new Modern Homestead American Dream and live it. And so we're looking forward to that journey. And if it's something that might interest you, pop that subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell. Man, we would love to have you on this journey. Got a lot to do today. Let's do this. All right, so what we've gotten here is we've got the 4 stringers cut, and then we put the ledger board on, we're putting the footer board on, and then we're gonna flip it over and attach it to the deck facing here. How you wanna do it? Right there. All right, let me put mine down a minute. There you go. It's just a little bit of an overhang.
Yeah, about a quarter.
Yeah. Right there's dead even.
They like that.
Right there. Perfect.
I got just a little bit of difference.
A little bit of what?
A little bit of difference.
Meanwhile.
All right, so Kevin has wired up some of the external plugs here, and we're gonna see how good he did. So, did you plug one in?
I plugged my tester. Yeah, I plugged it in right here.
It's plugged in?
Yep.
All right, the moment of truth. Here it is. Let's see. Watch the utility bill go up. All right, we're hot. I love it. That's sweet. I'm excited. I am excited.
At least you could sit out here at night and plug in a light.
Plug a light in. That's right. Or a bug zapper.
Yeah.
There'd probably be a bug zapper. Go.
You know what that tells me? There's a bow right there somewhere.
I wouldn't doubt it. Wouldn't doubt it. Now, while we were doing that, Kevin was inside wrapping up, getting all the electrical stuff, which he had pretty much all done. He needed to track a couple of, track down a couple of little things, and he was able to do all of that. The one thing that he did do, which was unbelievably exciting, was he put some receptacles in, and now since we have power, no more running the generator. So all you folks that were watching videos and always hearing a hum in the background, that was the generator. So you won't hear that anymore. Listen how quiet. Oh, so nice. So we finished up one side of the cabin with the board and batten. We've got it up. James and his son Benny have been helping, and it looks great. I think the board and batten on this, certainly once we get it painted, is going to look really, really awesome. Super stoked about it. Karen and I, we're going to jump in here and we're going to see if we can get some of these, some of the door knobs and the deadbolts put on the each of the 4 doors, so that we can really kind of lock up, secure the cabin. She has done a phenomenal job getting all of our supplies boxed up. So we got to move everything out so that the sheetrock hangers can come in and hang the sheetrock. And so she spent most of the morning not only cleaning out all the rooms essentially, but also she's also done several more hours of bush hogging this morning, so that the land really looks nice. I always think that, and I was telling her this just a little while ago, that there's just something about the land when it's nicely cut. It just looks so much nicer. As you can tell, she did a phenomenal job. And so she's probably mowed, I don't know, probably 6 to 8 acres maybe, over the course of the last day and a half. So awesome job. But anyway, we're going to start working on the doors, and we'll show you a few clips of that as we try to figure out how to get the doorknobs and the deadbolts on all the doors. We can do this. Close the door. Oh, you put the thing on wrong. Put it on backwards. Yep, it's on backwards.
But your key, use the key to open it.
Yeah, but does this thing not, is this not independent of these 2 things? Can you not take this out and turn around and stick it back in?
Yeah. Where's the screwdriver?
All right, so what I'm doing in here is I'm gonna come off the wall 61-ish inches for the vanity. So I suspect the vanity will stop somewhere in this area right here. I placed a mark. I then took the distance between the shower wall, another 1/2 inch off here, because we'll have sheetrock on this wall, over to this mark. And I marked our midline point, and then I pulled it off 12 inches off the wall, which is where the toilet flange will be. And I'm just going to drill a 3-inch hole here. It's actually 3 1/4, but I don't have a 3 1/4 OD, and so I'll probably have to do a little bit of work with my jigsaw. But yeah, we're going to put this right here. I might have lied. I think I lied to you. I found a 3 1/2, which means this is a 3-inch inside diameter. 3 and 3/8. So 3 1/2 will be great. Because I'll just take and throw some wedges up in there, and I think we're going to be good. Let's get a toilet. Let's get a toilet installed here. Hallelujah.
We missed the stud.
We missed the stud.
Awesome. That's even better. And that's even better.
Toilet. And it's just been a wonderful, wonderful Labor Day weekend. And I hope that you guys had a great Labor Day weekend. And I hope you have a wonderful week coming up and a very blessed week. And until we see you again the next time, we will see ya.